Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back with another video. So before y'all say anything, I know every video I've been saying that I've been real busy and that, I haven't been uploading consistently. Yes, that is true, but this week, I had some free time. So I definitely wanted to get an unboxing video, and I just got it, and obviously, as you can see, it's the title, wherever. I just got the new Apple Watch Series 6. So I definitely want to unbox that real quick. I'm just going to get straight to the point. If you're new, subscribe. If you're not new, you like the video, like, comment. Yo, everything with Apple, I like how it just comes off like that. Like, it's so satisfying. Like the plastic. I have no idea how to open these, bro. How do you open these? What? Open this, bro. So you open this, and then that opens up like that, and then that comes out like that. Oh, so it's like this, and then from here, open it up. So I guess this is the band. So I got a black sports band. So my watch is actually space gray, but I got it the black band with the space gray watch itself. I saw on YouTube, other YouTube videos, that the band comes with two bands. So I think every Apple Watch had this, but it comes with a long band if you have a really thick wrist, and it comes with a smaller one if you have a skinny wrist like I do. Like, my wrist is pretty thin, so it comes with two bands. So I'm gonna open up the bands first, and then I'll get to the watch after. It would have been smarter to bring scissors or tape or something. But yeah, definitely on Amazon, I'm gonna get my own custom sports band, and I'm gonna get a screen protector in case. I did not know you can get a screen protector for the longest time. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely get all of that. And then here we go with the two bands. So you got the smaller one here, as I was talking about, then the larger one there for thicker wrist. So I'm gonna take the smaller one off. Yeah, okay, so you take this one off. Okay, so just peel it off you just slide it out. Okay, and I'm guessing you take this one off too. Okay, and then I'll just leave this one in the box, that one, in case if I need it, but I probably won't. But yeah, I'll just leave this right here for now. It's like a silicone type material, like the silicone cases you see at Apple. But yeah, that's cool. All right, now let's get to the good part. Like I said, I got the 40mm. I didn't really need the 44mm. Because the 40mm itself is already pretty big for me, so that was cool already. Apple Watch. So it always comes in this little protective case here, like that, And then here, before tells you how to use it. But obviously, I'm not gonna use this for my reference. I'm gonna look at other videos. It comes with the charger here. Like I said, the magnetic thingies right there. Comes with a charger. Okay, so it comes with it, obviously. Okay, so I'm assuming you just put this down. So you put it down, and then you just put the watch on top of it like that. I mean, I'm not gonna demonstrate it because it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't really need to show you, but yeah, see, to me, this looks black. Like I say, either way, it doesn't matter to me, but it literally looks black, but it's space gray, so. But yeah, see, it's turning on there. So, see, I just want to keep this short and simple. So yeah, I know after every video, I'll always be like, oh, new video coming up. The videos are definitely gonna start becoming more consistent. Just stay tuned for those. And I don't want to say what videos I'm gonna upload. I want it to be more of a surprise, when you see them, when you subscribe and turn the bell on. But yeah, if you like the video, if you have an Apple Watch, tell me what kind you have. If you have, an Apple product, tell me what kind you have. I like to see that. Comment, if you new, subscribe. If you've been here, like and comment. I just want to get this unboxing out. I like doing the unboxing, and we're going to be changing up the videos still. We're not going to be doing unboxings all the time. So yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Comment. Is that it? That's it. All right, peace out.